Hey there, history buffs. Welcome to another exciting dive into the past. Today we're unraveling the intriguing political tapestry of ancient India during the era of the Mahajanapadas. Now, most of these states were monarchies. Picture grand kings on thrones ruling vast lands with iron fists. But here's the twist. Some of these states were republics, known as Ganas or Sanghas. These were early forms of oligarchies where the king was actually elected and ruled alongside a council. Pretty democratic for ancient times, right? One of the most notable republics was Vajji. This Mahajanapada thrived with its unique Sangha form of governance. And guess what? The founders of both Jainism and Buddhism hailed from such republican states. Every Mahajanapada had its own capital city, often fortified for protection against rival kings. Armies were maintained by these rajas, ready to defend their realms at a moment's notice. Taxes were a part of life back then too. Farmers, for instance, had to part with 1/6 of their produce, a tax known as Bhaga, or share. And it wasn't just the farmers. Craftsmen, herders, hunters and traders were taxed as well. Fascinating, isn't it? The blend of monarchies and republics, the fortified cities and the diverse taxation system all paint a vivid picture of life during the Mahajanapadas. If you enjoyed this trip back in time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the community for more historical insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on our journey through history.